Russian fighter jets were scrambled to escort a U.S. Air Force plane that reportedly approached Russian airspace over the Pacific Ocean, Russian state news agency TASS said Sunday. There were no violations of Russia's state border during the episode, according to TASS, which, citing Russia's National Defense Command Center, said 3 Russian fighters Sukhoi 35s have been scrambled to escort a U.S. strategic bomber B-52H, which approached Russia's airspace. The fighter's crews identified the target as a strategic B-52H bomber of the U.S. Air Force and escorted it over the Pacific Ocean. There were no violations of Russia's state border or dangerous proximity of planes in the air,